Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos. Welcome again, friends. Updated January 16, 2020, Microsoft is finally rolling out the first stable version of the new Microsoft Edge based on the Chromium engine. After many months of testing and releasing previews, the final version of the new cross-platform browser is available for download using a standalone installer and Windows Update. Also, for those who want to always be the first to get their hands on the latest features and improvements, Microsoft Edge is available in the Canary channel of the Insider program. In this video, I show you the steps to download and install the new Microsoft Edge for Windows 10. To download the final stable version of Microsoft Edge Chromium, use these steps. First, open Microsoft Edge Chromium download website. You can get the link from the video description. Second, click the blue Download for Windows 10 button. You can click the down arrow button to select the version for Windows 8 and Windows 7. If you're looking to download the Mac OS version, click the Mac OS tab, and then click the download button. Save the MicrosoftEdgeSetup.exe file on your device. Double-click the file to begin the installation. Continue with the on-screen directions to complete the setup. Once you complete the steps, the Chromium version of Microsoft Edge will install on Windows 10, and it'll replace the legacy version of the browser.